Hi there, welcome to TELW. My name is Manu. I'm a certified TESOL trainer with 16 years of training experience, and I teach English and communication skills. You got this video because you inquired for English classes, and I offer English classes. But English alone won't help you. You need communication skills training as well. I know you've come here to learn English, but I'm going to tell you why English alone won't be of any help to you. See, English is very plain. It doesn't have any emotions. You speak a sentence, but you don't get the emotions into it. The feeling, you can't feel what you're saying. So what happens is you end up being maybe rude, maybe sheepish, maybe aggressive, but you can't get the right tone, the right pitch, the right intonation, that is. And you miss the ball. These are a part of the voice quality training. And together with that, you have the body language. That's a part of the communication skills training. You've got voice quality, you've got body language, and those relevant chunks that help you, bring out your personality, develop your personality. Now, if you want something more than English and communication skills, then we have the career development skills. These are the skills for special situations. We have 6 or 7 of them, like presentation, negotiation, email writing, business writing, etc. Let's take the interview skills. You're going for an interview, then you should know what your body language is going to be. You need to know your body language, you need to know the chunks you have to use, how you got to say those things, how you're going to answer those questions in a manner that is, if they ask you something, you've got to answer their question. How you're going to expand on your answers. You've got a whole lot of things that you learn in the interview skills. Similarly for presentation. Now these are the skills you're going to use every time, every day. Now let's tell you how TELW will teach you these things. Okay, let's say the interview skills. We will give you those chunks. We'll give you the general structure of the interview also, and we'll do a lot of mock interviews. You will be given the chunks, the language, the topic, how to answer the questions. Now, this is not exactly the same as the training that the HR people will give you. They've got a different set of training. But we will include a part of that. We'll brush that up for you and strengthen you on the language skills. Let's take presentation skills, another one. We give you, let's say, the topic. We give you the structure of the presentation that you need. We give you the chunks over there. We tell you the body language. You prepare, make the presentation. Your peers will listen to you, ask you questions, finish it. You give your feedback. They give their feedback, and I give you mine. So essentially, you get to practice a lot, and you get the guidance from me and the feedback from me and your peers. You give your feedback and we'll give your feedback on your feedback. So it's going to be a very complicated process, but at the end of it, you will reduce your number of errors there and you'll be ready to hit the market. So this is our methodology. This is the way we teach. So you get to learn how to speak English fluently and accurately. You get to learn how to communicate confidently and assertively, and you become job ready. With these CDS skills, you hit the ground running, as I said earlier. And we combine all these 3 things, English, communication skills, and the CDS, which we'll tailor for you to suit your needs. And it's going to take about 3 to 4 months. So if you're interested in this course, what should you do? Come to us, come to the center, do a level assessment. We'll analyze your needs, and I'll guide you along the right course, which course you're supposed to take, how long it's going to take, and what's going to be your takeaway from that. I've given you the link of the Google map below. Put your location there, and that'll lead you straight up to our doorstep. Also, there's a form. Fill the form, send it to us, book your free demo class. That'll come after the needs analysis. In this demo class, we're going to give you a glimpse about how we teach, and it'll be a part of your first class. And this demo class is going to be the first day of your whole course. So it's going to be absolutely free though. Be great, enjoy yourself, and hope to see you soon in our class.